Standing outside of this big old Wolfpack fifth wheel. This is the Platinum. It's the 345Pack14.5. That's what it says there. I'm assuming that's right. So let's talk about real quick a couple of the new things, or one of the new things for sure. Let's talk right here about the tankless water heater. New for 2023. The Furrion
on demand.
Teamed up with On Demand. So you get your water heater. There you go.
Unlimited supply right there.
Yeah. How nice is that? We've got one, actually we put one in at our house, and it's so nice. We got a lot of people at my house. My wife loves to take long baths and showers, and it's so nice to have a tankless water heater so you never run out.
And you can even do a sink and a shower at the same time.
Yep.
So it's nice.
I did notice, we'll talk about this real quick, for some people that are concerned about this, they've got the Rhino box hitch on the front.
Oh, okay.
Rhino box hitch is much smaller. Yeah, more condensed. You got your hookup in the same place right out here, but it doesn't come back as far, meaning that you don't have a bunch of screws going through your floor in the front of your RV.
It's nice too, because when I go camping with fam, I'm always the guy that has to go up in here and do all this stuff. And my back is always black.
Right. you back into it, and you're not good for a week. The outdoor kitchen here. A little outdoor kitchen. Looks like everything you need. You get your burners, 2 burners.
Little mini
little refrigerator. Ice maker. Boom.
Nice.
And then you get your sink. I'm sure there's a hookup around here somewhere for your hose. So you'd be set and ready to go. But that's your little outdoor kitchen. Of course, you got 2 awnings. I shouldn't say of course, but you do have 2 awnings here. That covers almost the length of the RV.
Look how long that one is.
And this is an XLR, so you got the party deck on the back. Huh? It's not an XLR. I meant to say it's a toy hauler. It's not an XLR. This is a Wolfpack. You know who corrected me? Austin. You know who should be running the camera? I should be, and Austin should be doing this. It's a Wolfpack. Was that you getting rid of me already?
Knock you out of there.
Let's go inside. Take a look. So inside, great space. Great space in here. You got your living. I say great space because remember, this is an XLR. Daggone it!
You want to start over?
We'll start over. We're inside. Okay, we're inside the Wolfpack, the toy hauler. This is such a great space for being a toy hauler. It really is. I mean, you think you got this much space, and you've got a garage back here behind you. You got the bedroom and a bathroom up here. This is nice. I love the floor. That's a cool little pattern on the floor down here.
Yeah, so that's new for this year. I noticed it's a lot lighter. Remember how dark this used to be?
Yeah, they used to do black.
Black, yeah, black. So this is nice.
Yeah. A little pantry here. I love the pantry. Lets you know, just in case you forget. There you go. Look at that. That's nice. Lights. You can turn those off if you don't need them on. I think they got them on purpose just to show them off. Looks great. So you go, a couple drawers down here. You can keep all your food in there if you wanted to, but if you can't, you got plenty of room back here to keep food. You got some behind Tim here. You got a couple cabinets here as you walk into the place. I love those. Room for your TV. Your TV goes here. You've got the fireplace down below, storage above. This is kind of cool. More storage space up here, or there's a little mattress up there. I can feel it. So if you want, if you got somebody that needs to crash up there, you can do that. The ladder is back here in the garage. We'll see that here in a minute. But it is obviously a tight space, so maybe it would be for storage for you, but if you do have somebody that wants to squeeze up there and sleep, there's room for it. Nice big sofa here directly across from the TV, so you're not craning your neck to see what's going on. Like this.
Put your
little bit
mail.
Put your mail in there, anything else you need to put in there. Maybe even the remote. Keep the remote right in there so you don't lose it. Yeah.
That fridge, look how big that fridge is.
It is a good size refrigerator.
2 drawers.
Yep. You get this and the 2 drawers. And I know sometimes, and I don't know about this one, sometimes you can...
it's all sealed up.
Sealed up. Oh, yeah. It's taped.
Brand new. 2023.
Right. Sometimes you can... I don't know if I'll say in here, but sometimes you can like turn one into a freezer and leave one a refrigerator, or kind of decide what you want to do. I'm not sure what this one does, but it's still a good size refrigerator. Over here in the kitchen, you got your microwave, you got a vent, 3-burner stovetop, and a smaller oven. Again, making pizza rolls, pizza, cookies in there. Show me the sink.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, look at that. Big old
That
cutting
doubles
board
as
if you
a
need it.
cutting board. Yeah, nice.
But there you go. A good sized sink. Again, lots of storage above and surrounding. Let's get up here. Handle to help us older folks get upstairs easily. Austin didn't even need to use it because he's 20 something. Here's the bathroom. Little corner shower. There you go. And some storage above here. Medicine cabinet above the sink. And storage underneath the sink. A little bit. Toilet here. Cool thing is, get 2 doors. Boom! So that way, if you're in here, somebody can get into the bathroom without having to get back here and bother you. Storage nice. Above. You've got over here another slide out wardrobe. It's nice looking, isn't it?
A lot of space there, of course.
Yeah. And a little shelf there in the middle. Put some stuff. TV back over here. You gotta have your TV in here. Again, I'm 6 foot. You're a little taller than me, and you're sitting back here, standing back here just fine. Yeah, I think it looks like a king size. I think king size bed.
That's good.
Yeah. Of course, you can get hold of us at RV Wholesalers to get more information on this. Let's go up to the garage. Find out what's going on in the garage. The toy hauling part of the toy hauler.
Look at that.
Boom, here we are. Lots of space inside this toy hauler. You're gonna carry almost, I mean, you can carry a lot in here. You wanna count the tie downs?
That's a lot of tie downs.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 tie downs in this thing. This is cool back here. Look, boom, another bathroom. Now it's a smaller bathroom, but this is the second half bath. And honestly, this might be a quarter bath. You got a half bath, a little smaller than a half bath. But again, everything you need. You got your sink back here in the corner. Little teeny sink, but wash your hands when you're done in the bathroom. That's what that's for. Toilet, and again, a little medicine cabinet up there.
Well, it's nice you come in dirty from the beach or
Yep.
the mudding or whatever it is you do.
Exactly.
Laundry, you can throw your stuff in the laundry.
Yep.
Right there, washer, dryer, stacked up.
Looks like, okay, what is this?
Camera.
And a camera.
Keep an eye on.
That's great. You keep a camera to keep security.
It's a prep for it.
Prep for it, yes, exactly. I like that. The chairs here, or couches, sofas, love seats, whatever you want to call them, will fold down so you can sit here. They also fold up like this, obviously. They can fold down into one big bed, and this can drop down. So you can sleep a lot of people back here once you get the toy out. And of course, one of the best things about the toy haulers are the party patios. The party patios. Right now, Tim, if we had a grill out here, what would you be grilling on it?
Oh, definitely veggie packet, because I have to eat healthy now. And then some brats. So,
okay, all right.
So it's not healthy. It counteracts.
Well, you said veggie packets, and at first I'm like, oh, lame. I'm like, actually, that I should probably start eating more veggie packets.
I don't know, there's something about how good those come out.
Anyway. You start grilling up some onions and peppers,
Yes.
and it smells fantastic. You can put those on anything.
I'm ready to go.
Yeah, me too.
This
So
is
there
solid.
you go. So yeah, it does feel solid. Not that I've been on any that really feel like they're going to fall apart, but these things are nice. I think this is one of the most brilliant things that all toy haulers have been doing lately, is turning this ramp into a party patio. So there you go. If you need a toy hauler, Wolfpack is in the game. You can find yourself in one of these. You just got to make the call.